Hi, and welcome to Code Hub tutorial. We are still on our Microsoft Word tutorial. Now, in our previous lesson, we created our first document. We also got to know different tabs which are hidden under the File tab on the Standard Tools bar. On this tutorial, we are going to create or make changes to our document. We will save them as a new title or a new document with a new title. Now, to do that, we will make changes to our document before that. So I'm just going to type a simple paragraph or a simple sentence here, and then we will look at it. So I'll just type hello, welcome to Code Hub tutorial. Name is Crawford Franklin, and you are warmly welcome. I am glad to see you learning from this tutorial. Good. So this is a simple sentence I have done on my document. I will now go through the save process to save my new document with a new title. So to do that, we know where we can access it. So we just go to the File tab, click on it, and move on to Save As. Here we have an opportunity to select where we want to save our document. So I'll save it on my document area. So I'll move on to this PC, and then I'll move on to browse. Move on to browse, and then I'll select document. Now I will change the name to my first document. My first document. Alright, I'll just save it like that. Remember, I'm saving it on the document page or the document area. I'll just click on save, and then it will save for me. You realize that the name, which was document 1, has now changed to the title you gave to your document, which is my first document. So you have successfully saved your document. Anytime you make a change to your document, remember to save again to be able to update your document. So I will make some changes to my first document, and I have to remember to save it again unless I want to discard the changes I have made. Good. So I have made some changes, added some sentences to it. So I will have to save it again. But this time around, I will use the quick access area, which I have a save button here, or the save icon. I'll just click on it, and then it will be saved. My document will be saved or be updated successfully. Now, so this is how we save document with a new title. I'm going to close it, and then we'll use the open command to open our document again. With this, I will put all the tutorials we have done together to open or to get to this point, and then we'll continue from there. So I will save it, I'll close it now. Now I have my desktop. So how did I open Microsoft Word? I use different forms or different steps. So I'm going to use the same steps as I used to open it. But here I will use the quick launch area, which is the task bar. I have it on the task bar, so I'll just go straight and click on it once. It will load a few times and then it will open for me. Now once it opens, you will be brought to the home tab. You will see that the document you saved, which is my first document, has been added to the recent document, which is 2 minutes ago. Good. Now I can decide to open it directly from here. To just click on it and it will open. But I want us to also use the open tab to do this process. So I'll click on open and then I'll select where I want to open from. So I'll go to browse and then I'll go to my document area, which I have here. I'll just click on it and then click on open and then it will open for me. From here I can decide to make more editing to my document. More editing or changes to my document and save afterwards to keep my document up to date. Alright, so after that I'll just click on save and then it will save for me. So this is all that I have for you for today's lesson. Stay tuned for our new lesson. Thank you.